In this video, I'll be showing you how you change the subtitle language of videos or movies you are watching on Viki by Rakuten. Simple and easy. So now let's open a movie here and then try to do that. So we just tap on the Ocean Rescue here. And you can see I was watching that. So now let's resume and then let me show you guys how to do that. So after pausing the movie, you can see this chat button there. Just tap on that there at the top left corner of your screen, top right, sorry. And when you tap on that, you can see the subtitle style here. Currently I have it at English, so you can see the available languages here. So you can choose any of them. This is German, which is Dutch, Spanish, which is Spain, and Polski, Italiano, and the rest. So you can just tap on any of them to switch it like that, and you are good to go. You see when you play the video, the subtitle is going to change. You get it. Now let's switch it to English and you see something. Good, and you see it's going to change. Yeah, and now you can even turn it off by tapping on this here, and then you turn it off here and you're good to go. So for you to know the available subtitles on a movie, you need to check the movie's description, something like that, before you can see. So to do that, you hop on the movie and you scroll to the bottom here. You see the cast and everything, and you see the subtitle here. The available languages are here, and then that's it. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.